Welcome to PPMA TV, sponsored by Mark Mamage, and I'm over at the ATS stand now with Richard. He's going to talk to us about some of these gigantic, colourful machines going on behind us. But before we get to that, Richard, thank you so much for joining me.
That's good.
Brilliant. So let's kick off with a nice, simple question. What is it that ATS does?
ATS have a wide variety of products, but in this show we're focusing purely on packaging machines. And at this stand we're focusing on end-of-line packaging machines.
Ah, very, very interesting, which makes a lot of sense when we have a little look behind us. Okay, so, I mean, it's nice and colourful. I love that we've brought a bit of colour in here. What's going on? What are we seeing here?
Okay, so this is a spray trigger capping machine. So the idea being is we're going to insert the spray triggers automatically. The electronic torque tightening head will tighten the triggers to a known torque. The machine will automatically detect if we've tightened correctly. So in the back row we have good tightened spray triggers. In the front row we have rejected bottles.
I love that.
From here it will move over onto our robot packer. So here the spray triggers come in on the conveyor. The robot packer will actually pick up the spray triggers. The second robot actually erects the carton, and once we've actually put the bottles into the carton,
we're going to come all the way around the other side as well. These machines are huge.
They then come out where the spray triggers are now inside the box. And then they go on to carting sealing, palletizing, and then finally shrink wrapping.
My goodness.
All done by ATS.
It's pretty impressive, isn't it, when you think about it, from, even this two machines we've just seen here. That entire process, it's very impressive, and something that I guess you don't always think that it can all just be done in one. And that's very exciting.
That's what we specialise in, turnkey solutions. So from mixing and processing, filling, capping, labelling, packing, palletizing and shrink wrapping.
Yeah, so all under one roof at ATS.
Yeah, it's just one call.
Brilliant. So we are here at PPMA. It's already getting busy, day one.
Yeah.
What brings you here? Why is it important that ATS are here?
Last year was our first year at the show, and we managed to secure some nice, good sales. So this year we're focusing on a different range of products, end-of-line products, and we already have about 4 or 5 confirmed meetings ready for today, and we hope to conclude some deals.
Oh my goodness, so already you've got those set up, so actually that's just the start.
Yeah. And we're here for the whole week, so yeah.
Brilliant. And is it really nice to have the entire industry under one roof?
Yeah, and I think, to be fair, we know most of our competitors, and it's nice, friendly banter. Everybody gets on, we all have a beer at the end of the day. In fact, we have a bar on our stand.
Oh, I love that. So you're prepared for the party at the end?
We actually have our own bar with our own beer.
Taking no chances that we'll be here.
Yeah, so if anybody wants to come and see us, welcome for a free beer. But we also hand out free beer to our, the co-competitors. So.
I literally love that. And it is that atmosphere that makes PPMA so amazing. It's the fact that there is that friendly attitude. Everyone's here to support each other. So come down and have a chat with the team at ATS and find out what they're up to. Thank you so much.
No problem, thank you.